Hello friends, today I will solve a LeetCode easy problem on strings. It says given a string which contains only the letters E and L, where E means a person enters the waiting room and takes one of the chairs in it, and L means a person leaves the waiting room and hence bring up a chair. So we need to return the minimum number of chairs needed so that a chair is available for every person who enters the waiting room given that it is initially empty. So for this problem, so what we need to do at each second, we need to calculate the number of chairs required and we need to maintain a global result variable and we need to take the maximum of the number of chairs required at each instance. So for the first example, we can see at each instance, people are only entering into the room. So the maximum number of chairs required is 7. For the second example, we can see at second 0, a person is entering. So the number of chairs required is 1. At first second, the person leaves the room. So the number of chairs required is 0. Similarly, at second, a person enters, the number of chairs required is 1. Similarly, at third second, a person leaves the room. The number of people waiting in the waiting room is 0. Similarly, at fourth second, another person enters. Similarly, at fifth second, another person enters. Similarly, at sixth second, another person leaves. So, in this column, you can see it's given the number of chairs required at any instance. But we need to calculate the minimum number of chairs so that a chair is available for every person. So we need to take the maximum of the number of people waiting in the room. So in this case, the result will be 2. Similarly, for the example 3, we can see the maximum number of chairs required at any instance is 3. So the result will be 3. So to solve this problem, we will maintain a result variable and we will also maintain another variable called chairs required, which maintains the number of chairs required at any instance or at any second. So we'll traverse the string and for each entry we'll consider it as 1 and for each exit we'll consider it as -1. So at each instance we'll calculate the chairs required and we'll update the result variable and at end we'll return the result variable. So we can see we are traversing the string only once. So in this case time complexity will be order of n as we are only using constant space. So the space complexity will be theta of 1. So the time complexity will be theta of n and space complexity will be theta of 1. So you can see the basic test cases are running fine. So we'll submit it and it's working as expected. Thank you.